So the GoPro Hero 12 seems to be around the corner and it has an expected release date on the 13th of September. And thanks to Quadro News, we now have what seems to be the official packaging of the GoPro Hero 12. So let's take a look at the latest leaks and let's find out if it's worth waiting for the GoPro Hero 12. Now, according to eBay, someone tried to sell an early copy of the GoPro Hero 12 for $700 US. And if we take a look at the description of this post here, we can see the stated specs of 27 megapixels, 5.3K resolution up to 60 FPS, as well as 4K up to 120 FPS. It's waterproof down to 33 feet or 10 meters. It has voice control, 8 times slow motion, hyperview, time warp, 10-bit HDR, hyper smooth stabilization, and cloud uploads. And going by the photos here, we can also see the same specs of what seems to be the original packaging. Now, the first thing that came to mind when I saw this was that GoPro has to be trolling someone. It's like releasing the Hero 11 all over again, but the only thing you changed was the number from number 11 to number 12. And if this is accurate, which it seems to be, GoPro is either digging their own grave or they might have something else in mind by releasing another version which could potentially be that 1-inch model which we all saw and wanted. Just like they did with the GoPro 11, where they also released the GoPro 11 mini along with the standard 11, which we're all used to. Now, as of the included accessories, which we also can see on the box here, it seems to be the standard accessories which we get with each model. A battery, a screw, a mount set, and a charging cable, and of course the GoPro itself. Now, to be honest, I'm actually quite disappointed. I was hoping to see a much bigger upgrade and to finally give GoPro some love, but it seems like there's no real upgrades other than the improved battery life, which I talked about in my previous GoPro 12 video. But I'm still having my hopes up for that GoPro 12 or that GoPro 1-inch model, which might be released. I have not seen any leaks on this other than the 2 images which I saw earlier, which I also shared with you, and those 2 actually looked pretty official. But since I haven't seen any leaks on the 1-inch model yet, I highly doubt that this will come. But I'm still crossing my fingers because this is something that I really would love to get my hands on. So what's your thoughts on the GoPro 12? Will you be waiting for this to be released, or will you run out and get the Action 4 or maybe the X3, which is one of my favorite action cameras to use when I'm out traveling or riding my motorcycle? So if you want to learn more about the X3, check out the videos down in the description. So there you have the latest leaks on the Hero 12. Release is expected to be somewhat in the middle of September, and the retail price will be $399 US and 450 euro. So let me know your thoughts down below, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.